Well, this is not the ideal weather for that, but we're going to a medieval, no, it's medieval and fantasy festival. I mean, she's kind of medieval dressed. I'm more like a 17th century peasant girl. But it's gonna be fun. Impressions, guys. To be clear, there were many stands there with spiritual, witchy objects. It smelled so good because of incense.
Wir wollen kein Feuer, wir wollen nur Rauch. Nur Rauch. Und jetzt kannst du
Siehst du etwas in dem Rauch? Irgendwelche Gesichter?
kannst du noch lesen, was es ist.
And there's a blacksmith doing mostly metal jewelry. Was machen Sie hier jetzt? Was ist das für... das ist so Drache.
Wort mit zwei.
Ist das ein Armband?
Ja.
It's like everything handmade looks really pretty. Which one is your favorite? Explanation. We are going right now to catch a glimpse of a workshop where, what is it? Fighting with a sword fighting. Yeah. I'm gonna see where the fuck is it even? There probably. Like here.
Platz und macht Fotos. Say less. Say less. Nimm Platz und macht Fotos.
Ah, like what is like this kein Zutritt thing? That must be their fucking Verein, I'm telling you. Des Heeres, wer der Teil des Heeres?
Sure, buddy. Guck mal, da liegen einfach.
I was just there for the beef, you know?
Ja.
I was for the tea.
Ja, sind ihr für den Workshop da?
Ja.
Super! Geil!
Am Anfang wollte er etwas sagen und er hat gemerkt, dass er ein bisschen zu viel gesagt hat.
Ja.
Ja.
Weil auf einmal waren die Orcs oder wie.
Workshop mitmachen. Ich gebe euch ein passendes Schwert in die Hand und dann gehen ihr gerade in die Arena.
Wie meinst du?
Also ich meine dann. Dankeschön. Das ist
Damn. Okay. Just like raise your swords, guys. Kenny, raise your fucking sword. All farewell, one for all. How was the sword fighting?
It was really cool. It was more complicated. I mean, I expected it to be complicated, but I mean, it was great. My arm is really cramping right now.
Yeah.
Please tell me that now I can fight in any medieval war.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Okay, it looks like it's our next stop to get something warm to drink.
Ja,
Sorry, it's difficult to be filming and protect from the rain and visit everything.
I need to check makeup and everything.
The clarification is that we ended up coming back home much earlier than I assumed, and I also barely filmed anything because the weather was shitty. It was raining constantly, pretty heavily, and it was difficult to film. Everything was wet. It was fucking cold. We found this one fireplace that was smoking so hard, and we stood by. Everyone left us out. We looked so desperate. One hand I had to be holding my umbrella, the other one I was eating or doing anything and trying to like hold my scarf that I was trying to cover myself with to film some type of warmth.